that decision has been made that mango grove is going. Okay, there will be new apartment and that builder will plant some trees and garden, but the grove is going, okay, like that. And do you understand? He asked.
Views clear. All the parents agreed that they would let.
Okay, so and don't make any useless planning. Okay, like that they warned, they gave the warning to the children, and all other parents agreed with that Natasha's father's decision. Okay, that don't let the children do it. Okay, don't allow the children do it. That don't allow the children for taking this revolt. Okay, all the parents agreed, and they would let their children know. Okay, means what? Let know, don't go for the revolt. Okay.
Their children know, and now that the matter was under control,
When the parents said to their children, the matter was under control. Okay, now they came to know that the children are not going to do it. Okay, nothing will happen. Okay, yeah, it will be always normal. Okay, suppose that yes, now I told you that a revolution is going on Punjab and that Haryana, then Rajasthan. Okay, that's because the decision which is against the farmers. Okay, and if they didn't do anything, nothing will happen. Okay, if they didn't move to the Delhi, nothing will happen. That rule will pass. Okay, that whatever that rule they will pass that rule by the government, and people will accept that, even if it is not good for the people, they have to accept it. At the same time, if they have started this revolution, okay, and if they win that revolution, that rule, they will the government may cancel the rule, and that will become a victory of the victory in the history. Okay, so after telling all, after warning the children, everyone dispersed. Okay, dispersed means they spread, they went here and there. Okay, disperse, yes, separated means everyone went their houses. Okay,
everyone dispersed. But what about Shaggy and Co? Natasha?
Okay, then Natasha again wanted to argue. Okay, argue means like a small fight. Okay, with words. Okay, so but what about Shaggy and Coo? She wanted to ask. Okay, Shaggy and Coo. Okay, because she was that much concerned about Shaggy and Cuckoo.
Shah was cut short by her father.
Okay, she wanted to speak. Okay, but in between that, father stopped her, and the father started to speak. Okay, so that for that we can say cut short. Okay, but what about Shaggy and Coo? At the same moment, someone else is speaking by cutting my words. Okay, just breaking my words. Okay, for that we can call cut short. Okay, so Natasha was cut short by her father. Okay, Natasha's father cut short her. Okay, he started to speak in between. What he spoke?
Stop being childish, Natasha. It is only a rabbit.
Okay, stop being childish, Natasha. Childish because the child, they are only thinking about this animal and birds. Okay, that adult people, they don't think about this. Okay, they don't concern about anything. Okay, they only they work for their family and all the things. Okay, whatever happens, whatever their children's wish, they don't concern. Sometimes they don't concern about that. Okay, they might have some kind of this kind of that as their children, they might have this kind of wishes and all the things. Okay, so the parents, sometimes they don't care about that. Okay, so stop being childish, Natasha. It is only a rabbit. Okay, it is only a rabbit. Why do you think about that rabbit? Okay, it's an animal, not even a human being. Even nowadays people, they are not giving value to the human being, then how they give the value to the animal?
It can dig a hole anywhere.
Okay, see, it's a rabbit. It can dig a hole anywhere, even if it's not here in this thicket. Okay, thicket means I told you already, that area with a group of trees and all the things. Okay, if they cannot dig a hole here in the thicket, okay, they can go somewhere else and they can. Okay, he told that already. The builder is going to plant some more trees and garden. So there, the rabbit can dig a hole. Okay. And stop giving name to birds also. Okay, stop giving name to the birds.
Stop giving names to birds. You don't know one from.
You don't know one from the other. Yes, that I can tell you. Yes, we sometimes, most of us, it is quite difficult. Okay, we cannot identify one bird from another, right? but as per the features we can say that different types of birds, okay, but if it's the same type like a parrot, okay, we cannot identify one parrot from the other, but we can identify parrot from that is sparrow, right? Yes. So here the father, okay, Natasha's father, he was shouting her that don't give name to the birds because you cannot identify from one from another, okay.
From the other. They all look the same anyways.
They all look the same anyways, okay, because parrots, okay, they all look the same only, we cannot identify them. He dismissed her concerns. Dismissed means dismissed something, okay, to treat something as if unworthy, okay, consideration, okay, means it's not good to think about even, okay. Concerns means her thinking and all the things, okay. Yes, when I said about this that thing identifying from one bird from another, I can tell you there are some people are there, okay. I forgot, okay. Some people, those who lead this elephant and all the things, okay, they know the names of each elephant, okay, one by one elephant. There is one actor in Malayalam, Jairam. He knows the name of each elephant, and he has an elephant himself, okay. He has an elephant on his own, okay. Yes. So they all look the same anyways. He dismissed her concern, okay.
He dismissed her concerns. No, they are not all the same. I can easily.
Okay, they are not all the same. I can easily identify them. Okay, Natasha said that. Okay, because she is familiar with the birds and animals now. Okay, so she can identify one parrot from the another. Okay, I can easily tell one from the other.
Tell one from the other. Tell me, Dad, if some.
Tell me, Dad, if someone destroyed your house, okay. So your house means she is not thinking that it's her house, okay. She was thinking only that ticket is her thing, okay. That family is that family where she was standing. That's only fathers, okay. House is only fathers, okay, not her. She was thinking like that, and she was saying, okay, tell me, Dad, if someone destroyed your house, if someone destroyed your house.
Someone destroyed your home. Will you be able to go and build another one just like?
Will you be able to go and build another one just like this? No, it is impossible to build one house. Okay, suppose that even when that natural calamities like that tsunami and all things, still many of the people are suffering because they don't have another house, and the government, they are not sanctioning for that money and all the things, okay, for building another. So they struggle a lot. Then so here also it is like that only, okay. It's impossible to build another one in a easy, okay, in a short time means in a single time, okay, small time, okay.
That she was really very, very angry. Similar
Very angry, okay. Then
arguments were going on in almost every third house in the town. The children were angry.
okay, so same arguments means a small quarrel, fight, okay, fight between the parents and the children were going on in every house, okay. That other parents, they came and they took their children, okay, they came this house, okay, Maya's house, and they came to know what is going to happen, and they were trying to stop their children, but all the children, they were arguing to their parents, saying the same, okay, what that Natasha said to her,
And were trying to convince their parents to give them.
Here I told you, convince means meaning is there, okay, to persuade, or persuade means accept, okay, to make someone accept strongly to do something, okay, to make someone accept or agree to do something strongly, okay. So that is known as persuade, convince, to give them permission to this revolt, okay. They were trying to make the parents convince, okay. They were trying to convince the parents to get the permission from the parents for the revolt, okay.
Permission for this revolt. Friday morning.
Okay, did you understand? No, means they were trying, they were asking their parents, okay, they were explaining all these things like Natasha said, and they were asking for the permission to begin the revolt, to make the revolt. That's all, easy. Now did you understand? Yes, okay. Now Friday morning came. Another
Came. What is all this chaos?
What is all this chaos? Okay, what is all this chaos? Chaos means complete disorder or confusion. Okay, complete confusion. What is all this chaos? What is all this confusion or disorder? It is known in.
The mayor wondered as he looked out.
Wondered means like surprised or wondered. Okay, what is all this chaos? Means he came to know that something which is in disorder or which is not good. Then mayor wondered as he looked out of his car. Okay, he saw something. Okay,
Of this car, he had come to inaugurate the
okay, he had come to inaugurate the first tree cutting ceremony. Okay, why did he come? He came to inaugurate. Okay, we know that whatever it. Okay, whenever we build. Okay, we will start a new office. There will be an inauguration. It we make it with that inauguration with any actor, that hero or heroine or some other political leader or someone. Okay, or a great person. Huh? Like that. Okay, so here the mayor came. Okay, because he is some leader. Okay, he is the main person in that city. Okay, so he came there to inaugurate and he has given this permission. So he is the one who has to inaugurate that. Okay, and first tree cutting ceremony. Okay,
first tree cutting ceremony that would clear
one section of the grove. Okay, that would clear one section. Okay, different sections are there and okay, tree cutting. Okay, so first tree cutting means to clear one section. Okay, and he came to inaugurate that.
One section of the grove where the first building
would come. Okay, in first section, first building will come. Okay, so for that first section they have to cut. Then later another sections. Okay, so later one by one another apartments also will come there. Okay, yes. Then what happened? Yes, this is what he saw. This is what he saw there. That's why he asked that what is all this chaos. Okay, and wondered. This is the reason.
Would come up. Children were sitting atop the big roller.
Okay, atop means see sitting on that. Okay, atop or top. See this boy, he is sitting on that green and that yellow color line, the t-shirt. Okay, and that boy he is sitting on atop of the bulldozers. Okay, roller. Okay, on that then top wheel. Okay, see that girl is sitting on the wheel. Okay, roller wheels of the bulldozers. These are known as bulldozers. Okay, JCB bulldozer. Okay,
wheels of the bulldozers. Some of them had climbed the tree.
Some of them had climbed the tree. See, some two children they are sitting on the. Okay, one is sitting on the tree and another one is climbing.
And many of them were holding placards. Save our tree.
Okay, so all of them were okay. Many of them were holding. See, all of them know. Okay, see, this boy is not holding. This another boy is not holding, and the one who is sitting on the tree is not holding. The one who is climbing, he is not also holding. Others all holding. So what are they? What is written in the placard? Save our trees. Save our trees.
Trees give us life and shade.
Trees give us life and shade and oxygen. Shade means a cool shade. You can sit under that and you will get that shade. Okay, shade of the tree. Okay, then oxygen also. We know that you might have studied science that we get oxygen from the trees and we breathe out the carbon dioxide, and the trees they take this carbon dioxide.
And oxygen. Can your apartments do that?
Yes. And they were asking this. Can your apartments do that? Can your apartments do what the tree does? Okay, tree can give us shade, then this cool shade, then wind and oxygen. Can your apartments do that? Do you think that the apartments can give that shade? Okay, shade they can give. Can they give that oxygen and all the things like what the tree does? No. Okay.
What are these children doing?
What are these?
Get them out of here. Where are their beds?
Okay, so by seeing this, the mayor asked that what are these children doing? Get them out of here. Where are their parents? Okay, because we know that when if we want to make children go out from some place, okay, if he is not ready to go, we will call his or her parents. Okay, and they will come and they will take him. Okay, so he asked for the parents. He searched for the parents and see.
Right here. We are right here, Mr. Mayor. A group
Right here. We are right here, Mr. Mayor. Oh, sorry. My God.
here. Where are their parents? Right here. We are right here, Mr. Mayor. A group of parents.
Yes, we are right here. Okay, so when he searched for the parents, parents answered. Okay, we are right here. A group of parents advanced means they came in front. Okay, till that time they saw only the children, but this time when he searched for the parents also came. So they were there only. Okay.
Parents advanced and stood in front of the bulldozers
Now the parents stood in front of the bulldozers. Okay, they came in front
and engineers that were on the site.
and the engineers on the side. Okay, you cannot tear this. Okay, tear this mango grove down. Okay,
You cannot tear this mango grove down. We don't
tear
want.
this mango grove down means destroy. You cannot means their parents they are saying to mayor. Okay, he has given the permission to cut down. Okay, so the parents were saying to mayor that you cannot destroy our thicket. Okay, this surrounding. Okay, this area. You don't want to do that. Okay, you don't have to do that.
You to do that. See,
do it.
in fact, no one here does.
See, in fact, no one here does.
The mayor looked around him.
Okay, so no one here does. We means no one who joined there. They didn't want to cut the that trees and all the things. Okay, then mayor looked around him. Okay, so mayor looked around him. Who the parent? Okay, the parent who was speaking to mayor. Okay, and what did he see?
Almost everyone living here in this town
Okay, so almost everyone living there in that town joined there together. Okay.
had formed a human chain.
Okay, had formed
A cir-
human chain. Human chain you might have seen. Okay, connecting one's hand to another. Okay, connecting one to another like that. Chain. We know that what is chain. We have chains. Okay, that long thing. Okay, connected by another one by another. Okay, so like that human chain. Okay, a circle of protection. Okay, then they started a circle of protection. They were circled to protect the thicket.
Circle of protection by holding hands that stretched endlessly.
That stretched endlessly means lengthen. Okay, lengthen means long. It was in a long. Okay, when we see that it was so long to see. Okay, and they cannot even see that much long lengthy it was. Okay, endlessly means that much lengthy. As far as the eye could see. Okay, that see means we cannot see that much lengthy it was. Mean that's why endlessly as far as the end eye could see.
As far as the eye could see. The mayor shook his head,
The mayor shook his head helplessly. Okay, he was thinking, okay, now I cannot do this. I have to stop this decision like that. Okay, so he shook his head helplessly. Means he cannot do anything. Helpless. Okay.
helplessly. Stop the bulldozers. Take
Stop the bulldozers. Take away the machinery. Machinery. Not only bulldozers to cut down the trees. We know that there are other machinery also. So take away the machinery.
away the machinery. We will have to listen to the people of this town.
Yes. So as these many people are there, we have to listen them. Otherwise, they will throw me out of this seat. Okay, because they have elected me. Okay, that means the people they elect the mayor and make them the mayor. Okay, so if that mayor is not working, okay, if mayor is not doing for the concern of the people, they will throw the mayor from that position and they will elect someone else to that position. Okay, so the mayor he was helpless because all the people were there. Okay, and he had to obey.
We did a revolution, Maya shouted.
Okay, and he stopped that. So we did a revolution. That was a revolution. Maya shouted me because of happiness. Okay, we did a revolution. Then clapping her hands. Okay, with the clapping her hands.
Clapping her hands. Yes, and a piece.
Yes, and a peaceful one. They didn't have to fight. They didn't have to make a bleeding and all the things. It was only with words, and it was peaceful. Okay, and whenever they he didn't shout that mayor. Okay, peaceful. There was no quarreling, fighting, anything. Only it was a peaceful. Okay, peaceful one. So they made a peaceful revolution.
Full one. We did it without our ammunition.
Okay,
Our
yes, I told you without weapons also. Okay, ammunition means weapons. Our sticks, Narasha smiled. Okay, so when it start to make that revolution with using the sticks and all, it will become quite dangerous. Okay, and they get that beat or that strike or hit accident injury from anywhere. Okay, so they didn't have to use any weapons. Our weapons, what are the weapons? Sticks. Okay, and Narasha smiled. Without that using sticks, okay, without the weapons, they won the revolution peacefully. Okay, Narasha smiled. Maya shouted and Narasha also smiled. Yes, we did it.
sticks, Natasha smiled. All the children were jumping.
All the children were jumping in joy. Okay, all the children, because all together they joined there. Okay, to stop this, and their whatever they wish. Okay, their wish it succeeded. Okay, and they can enjoy that area again. Okay, no one is going to cut down that area. Okay, so they were happy. Okay, because what they started a revolution. Okay, small revolution, and without any fight or without even using that weapons, they won that revolution. So they became so happy, and they jumping. Okay, because when we get happy, sometimes we jump. Okay, like that they jumped.
Joy, as they knew now that
As they knew now that the mango grove.
the mango grove would not be cut down.
So I told you that whenever they came to know that the mango grove is not going to cut again, they became happy and they succeed their revolution. So they jumped because of the happiness. And we saved our grove. They said in wonderment. Okay, we saved our grove. Grove means that area. Okay, thicket. Okay, and wonderment means a state of awed admiration, or respect. Okay, admiration. Okay, means with the happiness. Okay, admiration, being wonderful. Yes, being wonderful. Okay, in the situation of being wonderful. Okay, because they won the revolution. So because of that wonderful, that happiness, they said, okay, with that happiness, with that wonderful, okay, wonder, they said that we saved our grove.
And we saved our grove, they said in wonderment. And Shaggy and Cuckoo.
Not only that our grove, okay, even Shaggy and Cuckoo's home also they saved. Okay, Add Narasha. No one said that, okay, they saved. Okay, but Narasha, for Narasha it was a concern that Shaggy's house and Cuckoo's house. So she added that they saved that also. Okay, that was also a point, good point. Okay, so she added that also. They had to say that also. So Narasha.
Who's home? Added Natasha.
Okay, so that's all. These are the meanings of the words. It is already there in your textbook. Okay, so you can check that. Anyway, that is for today's section. Tomorrow we will do the exercise part. Okay, anyway, did you understand the topic? Did you enjoy this story? I hope so. Anyway, bye bye. This is for today's section. Okay, have a great day. Okay, thanks a bundle.